Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to put a white background on Instagram story. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to Instagram. After that, swipe to left and click Create here. And after that, you must click on this color button in the lower corner. Click here, click again, and now, as you can see, we have white background. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.